time, before this game, kinausap pa daw si Coach Al Francis. So, ano lang yung, kasi sabi minotivate ka doon. So, ano lang yung motivating words ni Coach Al Francis? Sir?
Unang-una talaga, thank you Lord sa panalong to. And we did really good as a team. Yun nga, yesterday, morning, bago yung practice. Yesterday pa lang, tinawagan ako ni Boss Al. Kaaga, pagkagising ko. So, kinausap niya ako. Talagang iba yung motivation na binibigay sa akin ni Boss Al. Na-remind niya ako kung paano ako nagsimula. Na-remind niya ako sino ako na maglaro. And then, iba yung coming from Boss Al, yung words niya na binibigay sa akin. Tapos, iba yung feeling no, coming to this game na motivate ka ng Boss Al. So, credit lang kay Boss sa pag-boost ng confidence sa akin. Show up today, really need that. So, yun yung game changer.
Isa lang yung feeling na naka-breakout ka na rin finally dun sa shooting slump mo.
Well, actually, sobrang happy lang no, kasi nakabalik kami sa series. I think it's a breakout, not just for me, I think breakout game sa amin as a team. So, I think everybody contributed well. And yun na yung gusto namin, makakuha ng spark today's series and ma-shake yung series kasi yung confidence nila very high, yung moral nila very high. So, good thing na natabla namin.
Scott, kanina sabi ni Coach Tim, wala raw siya masyadong pakialam sa pogi points kung manalo man kayo ng 20 o 30. Will is still a win. Pero para sa'yo ba, gano'n ka-importante na ganito kalaki yung kalamanan nila sa panalo after that slow game ng last game?
Well, sa culture namin, playing kay Coach Tim for ilang years na talagang when it comes sa series, wala talaga siya, wala kaming pake kung blowout game or 1-point game as long as a win. So for us, no pogi points, it's just a win. And, ang malaking bagay lang sa amin ngayon is nakapagpahinga yung mga starters, yung mga key players, and yun yung big stretch sa amin nitong series na to is kailangan kasi talagang healthy lahat, makapagpahinga lahat kasi we all know every other day yung game ng yung series, so crucial yung pahinga.
Scott, kanina parang nasiko ka ba ni Chris? Kamusta naman?
Okay naman, part of the game, talagang ganun na we all know, Cliff Fudge talagang yung laro niya, go hard, kahit bearing man niya, non-bearing. So, yun nga, okay lang, talagang part of the game.
So, sa aggressiveness mo sa offense, parang nakalimut lang ng assist. First time in a long time na nagulat ka ba na parang hindi ka na-assist?
Hindi ko na sa ngayon it's not about stats na it's about kung ano yung need ng team, as long as yung team nakapag-assist, not really me having an assist. I think very crucial yung as a team, kahit di man galing sa akin yung assist, basta yung score namin galing from assist.
Pero nakakapanibago kasi na...
Actually, hindi ko alam. Feeling ko may pasal naman ako. Ngayon ko lang nalaman sa'yo. Ang pangit sa bayan ng... Parang buhaya ko naman sa hindi. Okay.
Scotty, no doubt, Scotty's been struggling a little bit, and it was great to see him. The thing with Scotty, he just has to stay aggressive. He's such a unselfish guy. He has a tendency to overpass sometimes, and we need him to take shots, and sometimes he overpasses so much that the one time he does decide to take a shot, there's a lot of pressure on him because he hasn't taken very many. You take 10 shots, one shot of those 10 is not very much pressure. If you shoot one shot, that's all you shoot, there's more pressure on that shot. So it was good to see Scotty break out. I know he had a conversation with Francis Chua last night, and we call him Coach Al. Coach Al is such a great motivator. So I think he helped out in terms of getting Scotty right-minded and coming into this series. So I'll be coming to this particular game. The key is, again, we did it for one night. We have to come back with force in this next game because the shoes on their foot now.